This is Mark the Meerkat from Grok Trade with the trade of the day from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. Let's take a look here at why. I don't know why, because it's a possible trade. Here it was at opening. It had run up here about 3%, did a bull pullback, and this is when we found this one. And it was now high basing here, just under the even $86 amount. So I just set a trade just above that and said, let the trade come to me. And sure enough, what happened next here was boom, there it is. It just popped right up and got me in at $86.04. I am now long here on YY. Now, I have an automatic 1% stop set exactly behind that area here. So I'm gonna set that right here. This is about 1%, just below this 20 moving average and the 8 EMA. And I have the even dollar amount, $86, to protect the price action from dropping down and stopping me out. Doesn't mean it won't, but just possible lines of support to protect my stop. Now let's see what happens after that. Look at that. It just based there for the longest time. I'm already in it. Okay, let's wait, let's see what happens next. Now I'm going to move my stop up here along this 20 moving average here. Again, trying to reduce the amount of risk from off of 1%. Now I have about a 0.5% at risk in the trade. And then boom, it took off here, went up here above that area that was high basing, and it's still going up here. It's still going up here. And now it's up here to the R2 pivot line. This light line here is the R2 pivot line. So it's in here, not able to break that area. So my trading rules say that if it stalls at a line of resistance, aka the R2 pivot line here, I'm going to take out partial. So I took out half right here, actually the candle before, at 87.62 for 1.8% on the first half. Now I'm going to bring my second half stop up here in the money here, just below the 20 moving average and below the 87 even dollar amount, again to protect it from coming down and hitting my stop. So let's go ahead and let's stretch this out a little bit and move it down. Here we go. And we see what happened after that. It just could not break this pivot line here. Don't know why, and still staying below 88, and then finally it broke out here, but then wouldn't get above the 88 even dollar. It kept hitting its head there. That's okay. I have an in the money stop. I've already taken out partial. I have a guaranteed income trade. Patience, and then look at that. It snapped back really hard after staying up there for a while, and it stopped me out here at $87.62 for 1.8% again. And so yeah, it ended up doing that. It ended up dropping back here. Look at that. It just ended up being, how much of a drop was that? That was over a 1% drop. So let's take a look at what happened here. We had a high base here just under an even dollar amount. And as soon as it broke that even dollar amount with volume down here, I went ahead and I got in, and then it was patience. It took off. It stepped up again. Patience, took off, and it was just under here. And then it finally broke above that pivot line, and then it make a big snap down, got me out, but I'm okay with that. So this total trade was for 1.8% in 24 minutes. Hoo-ah. Now, but I want to show you is what happened after this. Watch this here now. I'm going to bring this together again. After that, look what happened for the rest of the morning here. It just kept going. And at the time of this recording here, coming up on 2 o'clock, it's here. It's near the highs of day. It's still going. It's still going up. It's still going up. Here it was, the high of day is at $93, and I stopped out at 87. Oh well, SEM, somebody else's money. Hey, if you want to see what we did in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room today, this was just one of 10 trades that we have. This happened to be trade number 5. And we struggled at the beginning of the day. First 3 out of 4 trades were expense trades. Then the next 3 out of 4 trades were income trades. And then we split there. So we were at 50% success rate here today. 50% success rate, 5 out of 10. At 3.8% net for the day, which isn't quite to our 5% target. Again, that's 3.88% of we call return on risk, not on portfolio return, which with our model portfolio, investing $10,000 per trade, that's about $380 for 2 hours worth of work. And we didn't quite hit target today. But so that's it in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. If you'd like to trade with us, you can just go to groktrade.com. Groktrade.com. If you can be in front of the markets between 9:30 and 11:30 Eastern Time, you're welcome to join us here. Just go up here to where it says Day Trading Chat Room. That's right, the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. right here if you want to see a presentation on results for last year. And I'll have to tell you, this year we're almost here to half a year results, and we are far ahead of even last year. Those for terrific results. But you can read about it here. And again, if you can be in front of the market from between 9 and 12, or we trade actually from 9:30 to about 11:30ish. And I'm going to be calling out trades live. I'll tell you exactly where my stops are, very similar to what I am here in the video, and you can join us there. Again, you want to read about it, just read all of it here, but you can join us for, you know, either a monthly subscription or a annual subscription. You can join us for 7 calendar days or 5 trading days, and risk-free. If it works for you, stay with us. If not, you can go ahead and cancel at any time. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that we trade what we see, not what we think. Trade well.